Cut plastic bottles into planters. Add drainage holes and soil. Plant your favorite greens. Hang them vertically. Save space and recycle. Your garden is ready.
Have you ever wondered how creators make those clean cinematic storyboard videos that look like they were created by a professional? You don't need to be an artist or a professional video editor to create them. With AI, you can turn a simple idea into a storyboard, generate the images, animate them, and create a complete video. And in this tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, step by step. Step 1. Generate your story idea and prompts. The first thing you need is a good idea. To make this easier, I've already prepared a master template prompt that helps ChatGPT create your storyboard and video prompts for you. You don't need to build everything from scratch. Simply copy the master prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. I'll leave the template link in the description so you can get it and follow along. Once you paste the prompt into ChatGPT, click Generate. ChatGPT will give you several video ideas to choose from. Take a look through them and choose the one you like. If you don't like any of the ideas, simply type, "Give me more ideas." ChatGPT will generate another set for you. For this tutorial, I'll choose how to make a simple emergency shelter in the wild. Once you've chosen your idea, paste it back into ChatGPT and click Generate. ChatGPT will then guide you through the next choices, including your preferred video duration. You'll get 2 options, 10 seconds with OmniFlash or 15 seconds with CDance. For this example, I'll choose the 10-second OmniFlash option. Step 2. Choose your character. Now comes an important part. ChatGPT will ask whether you want to use your own avatar. You have 2 options. Option 1. Use your own avatar. If you want your video to feature you, simply upload your avatar when ChatGPT asks for it. Make sure the image is clear and shows your face properly. Option 2. Don't use your own avatar. If you don't want to use your picture, simply select No. ChatGPT will create a suitable character for your story instead. For this tutorial, I'll use my own avatar so you can see how it works. I'll upload my avatar image and click Generate. Once you've made your choice, ChatGPT will generate everything you need, including your storyboard prompt and your video generation prompt. The storyboard prompt will be used to create your storyboard image, while the video prompt will be used later to animate the scenes. Step 3. Generate your storyboard image. Now let's create the actual storyboard. I'll be using ChatGPT to generate my storyboard image, but you can also use any other image generation platform of your choice. Go back to the storyboard prompt that ChatGPT created for you. Copy the prompt, paste it into ChatGPT, and click Generate. If you're using your own avatar and you're using another AI image generator, make sure you always upload your avatar image as a reference. This helps keep your character's appearance consistent throughout the storyboard. If you're not using an avatar, simply leave that part out and allow the AI to create a character for you. Then click Generate. Within a short time, ChatGPT will create your storyboard image, showing the different scenes of your video. Once you're happy with the result, save the image to your device. And that's it. Your storyboard is ready. Quick tip, don't rush this stage. Your storyboard is the visual plan for your entire video, so make sure the character, clothing, location, and overall visual style remain consistent. Step 4. Animate your storyboard. Now let's turn our storyboard image into a video. For this tutorial, I'll be using Flow, but you can use any AI video generation platform of your choice. First, open Flow and create a new project. Upload the storyboard image you created in the previous step. Once the image is uploaded, this will add the storyboard image to your prompt as a visual reference. Next, go back to ChatGPT and copy the video generation prompt that was created earlier. Return to Flow and paste the video prompt into the prompt box. Now adjust your settings according to your preference. For this tutorial, I'll use the 9:16 aspect ratio, select the 10-second duration, and choose the OmniFlash model. Once everything is ready, click Generate. Give it a few moments to process. And there you have it. Your storyboard has now been turned into an animated AI video. Preview the result.
First, find a dry, sheltered spot. Gather sturdy branches and natural materials. Build a simple sloped frame. Layer leaves and vegetation for protection. Before using it, First, find a dry, sheltered spot. Gather sturdy branches and natural materials. Build a simple sloped frame. Layer leaves and vegetation for protection. Before using it,
And if you're happy with it, Download the video to your device. Step 5. Create more storyboard videos. At this point, everything depends on how creative you are. You can simply type something like, "Write me a storyboard for a short animation on how to repair a broken zipper without replacing it." Then click Generate. ChatGPT will give you the storyboard prompt and the video generation prompt. From here, simply repeat the same process. Ask ChatGPT to generate your storyboard image, save the image, and head over to Flow. Upload your storyboard image, paste in your video prompt, and click Generate. And that's it. With this simple workflow, you can create complete AI storyboard videos without taking them into CapCut or any other editing app. And the best part is, you can create videos for TikTok, Facebook Reels, YouTube Shorts, and other short-form platforms. You can create storytelling videos, tutorials, educational content, how-to videos, or almost any idea you can imagine. So don't be afraid to experiment and try different ideas. If you found this tutorial helpful, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notifications for more AI tutorials. And don't forget to check the description for the master template prompt I used in this tutorial. Save this video so you can come back to it whenever you want to create another AI storyboard. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.
Zipper broken? Don't replace it yet. First, check the teeth and slider. Move the slider completely to the bottom. Align both sides of the zipper carefully. Gently tighten the slider with...
Excuse me, I think that's mine.
Sorry, I didn't even check.
Since you already took my coffee, can I at least sit?